Shalom everyone, Ate I once again. For today's vlog, we will learn the conjugation of infinitive verb to agree or to consent. In Hebrew, Lehaskim. We will learn the active forms and passive forms of Lehaskim. Present tense, agree. For masculine singular, maskim. Ani, maskim. Ata, maskim. Who, maskim. Present tense, agree. For feminine singular, maskima. Ani, maskima. At, maskima. He, maskima. Present tense, agree. For masculine plural or mixed gender, maskimim. Anachnu, maskimim. Atem, maskimim. Hem, maskimim. Present tense, agree. For feminine plural, maskimot. Anachnu, maskimot. Aten, maskimot. Hen, maskimot. For past tense, agreed. Hiskamti. Hiskamta. Hiskamt. Hiskim. Hiskima. Hiskamnu. Hiskamtem. Hiskamten. Hiskimo. Hiskimo. For future tense, will agree. Ani askim. Ata taskim. At taskimi. Hu yaskim. He taskim. Anachnu naskim. Atem taskimu. Aten taskemna. Hem yaskimu. Hen taskemna. Okay guys, I will give you the imperative. Imperative, agree. For masculine singular, haskem. Imperative, agree. For feminine singular, haskimi. Imperative, agree. For masculine plural, haskimo. Imperative, agree. For feminine plural, haskemna. Okay, now we will learn the passive forms of Lehaskim. Present tense, agreed. For masculine singular, muskam. Ani, muskam. Ata, muskam. Hu, muskam. Present tense, agreed. For feminine singular, muskemet. Ani, muskemet. At, muskemet. He, muskemet. Present tense, agreed. For masculine plural or mixed gender, muskamim. Anachnu, muskamim. Atem, muskamim. Hem, muskamim. Present tense, agreed. For feminine plural, muskamot. Anachnu, muskamot. Aten, muskamot. Hen, muskamot. For past tense is also agreed. Huskamti, huskamta, huskamt, huskam, huskema, huskamnu, huskamtem, huskamten, huskimo, huskimo. Okay guys, for future tense will be agreed. Ani uskam, ata tuskam, at tuskemi, hu yuskam, hi tuskam, anachnu nuskam, atem tuskimo, aten tuskamna, hem yuskimo, hen tuskamna. Okay guys, again, this is the end for today's vlog, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified for more videos. Guys, thank you very much. See you on my next vlog. God bless you all. Lihitraot.